And so today, I can announce we moved down to COVID-19 Alert Level 1 from midnight tonight.
Recently, New Zealand, the island country, created headlines for successfully overpowering the COVID-19 pandemic. Behind that remarkable feat lies a story of determination and patience. Out of the 40,000 people tested for COVID-19 in the last 2 weeks, none of them turned positive. Today, New Zealand has 0 corona cases. When the journalists asked Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern how did she respond to the news, she said this.
I did a little dance. Definitely not. I showed Neve. She was caught a little by surprise, but she joined in, having absolutely no idea why I was dancing around the lounge, but enjoying it nonetheless.
The 37-year-old Jacinda Ardern danced in her office lounge like a citizen. The success of New Zealand is an outcome of the unwavering efforts of its health workers and the unparalleled preventive measures employed by Jacinda Ardern's government. Eventually, the country lifted all restrictions on the last day. No social distancing, control over public gatherings, and masks and sanitizers are not mandatory. In short, the country is back to normalcy for a time being. However, the borders will be closed. After the strict 7-week lockdown, the Pacific Island nation will shift its focus on recovering its economic status. During the lockdown, as per the eradication strategy, everything remained closed. People stayed united with their Prime Minister. Tests were administered to 2,190 people out of every 1 lakh at a time, when the number of tests was 1,420 in the US. It was keen observation and being proactive helped people of New Zealand survive the situation. New Zealand was on alert since the onset of corona in March. The government, healthcare authorities, and most importantly the people together put their best efforts forward to stop community spread. Only 1,500 people got infected. That also those who came from outside the country. Tests and isolation procedures were conducted strictly. Death's toll was only 22. People of New Zealand have never blamed the government but stood united during the crisis. The credit for New Zealand's achievement completely goes to the spirit of its responsible society, a gesture that can be followed by any nation.